Now we will continue with exercise 5.3. We are doing word problem based on subtraction. Already we done in previous video. We are doing some more. So now you can see, solve the following. Here two operations are given. Operation means plus and minus. You can see before this having no sign. इसके आगे कोई साइन नहीं है. Before this minus sign, before this plus sign. अगर कोई साइन नहीं है, it means this is a plus sign. Before it, it means this is plus sign. So now, how to do this question? This number having plus sign before it, this number having also plus sign before it, we will find sum of this one and this one. So 4525 plus 684. Now find their sum. 5 plus 4, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. We will write 0 here. 1 in carry. 5 plus 6, 11. Plus 1, 12. We will write 2 here. 1 in carry. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So answer is 5209. Now we have to subtract this one from answer of sum of this one and this one. So now subtract minus sign. ये जो digit जिसके सामने minus है, we have to subtract this one from sum of this one and this one. So now 5209 minus 2312. What is to do now? We have to do the subtraction क्योंकि this is before it minus sign is given. Subtract 2 from 9, we will get 7. Subtract 1 from 0, we cannot. We have to borrow from 2. Here we left 1 and it will become 10. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now we have to subtract 3 from 1. We cannot because 3 is greater than 1. We have to borrow from 5. Here we left 4. It will become 11. Subtract 3 from 11. We will get 8. Subtract 2 from 4. We will get 2. So answer is 2897. क्या किया हमने? Firstly we will find sum of this one and this one. This is plus digit before it. अगर किसी डिजिट के आगे प्लस साइन नहीं है तो वो प्लस का ही माना जाता है. बोथ नंबर हैविंग प्लस साइन, फाइंड द सम ऑफ बोथ ऑफ द नंबर एंड देन उसके बाद जो आंसर है उसमें से वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस डिजिट बिकॉज दिस नंबर हैविंग माइनस साइन बिफोर इट. नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. अगेन 3 numbers आर देयर. दिस इज कोई साइन नहीं है. दिस इज ऑफ प्लस, दिस इज ऑफ माइनस, दिस इज ऑफ माइनस. यहाँ पर 2 माइनस के हैं तो वी विल फाइंड सम ऑफ दिस वन एंड दिस वन. 12, 8, 5, 7. 12,857. 3,172. Firstly we will find sum of both of the number because both number having minus sign. 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 in carry. 8 plus 1, 9. Plus 1, 10. We'll write 0 here. 1 in carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And then 1. So answer is 16,029. Now from the 16,029 we will subtract this one because both numbers having minus sign before them, लेकिन this one having plus sign. So we will subtract this one from sum of this one and this one. So now what is to do? 16,000 we have to subtract this one from this one क्योंकि ये 48,769 है, ये 16,029 है तो we will subtract this one from this one. 48,769 subtract, what is to subtract? 16,029. जो डिजिट बड़ी है उसको पहले रखना है. Now 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Subtract 2 from 6, we will get 4. Subtract 0 from 7, we will get 7. Subtract 6 from 8, we will get 2. Subtract 1 from 4, we will get 3. So answer is 32,740. क्या किया? Find the sum of this one and this one because both number having minus sign. दोनों के आगे minus sign है. उसके बाद प्लस करके उन दोनों को प्लस किया. We are getting 16,029. We have to subtract 16,029 from the 48,769. Subtract and get the answer. Rohit collected 20,815 stamps. 936 were from USA and 18,390 from India. How many from other countries? Total stamps. Total number of stamps. How many total number of stamps? 20,815. Now 936 collected from USA. How many collected from the India? 18,390. How many collected from other countries? उसके लिए क्या करना है? Firstly we will find sum of this one and this one. Money stamps collected from USA and India. इंडिया एंड यूएसए से कितने कलेक्ट किए? 18,390 फ्रॉम द यूएसए एंड 900. आई एम राइटिंग वन मोर टाइम. हाउ मैनी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द यूएसए, क्योंकि बड़ी डिजिट हमें आगे लिखनी होती है, ऊपर लिखनी होती है. 18,390. हाउ मैनी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द इंडिया? यूएसए से 936 एंड 18,390 फ्रॉम द इंडिया. दोनों को प्लस करना है. 0 + 6 6, 9 + 3 12, 1 in carry. 9 + 3 12 + 1 13, 3 1 in carry. 8 + 1 9 and then 1. How many stamps collected from USA and India? यूएसए और इंडिया से कितने कलेक्ट किए गए? These are from the USA and these are from the India. So now total stamp collected 19,326. टोटल कितने थे रोहित के पास? 20,815. How many collected from the other countries? For this, what is to do? We have to subtract 19,326 from the total. Other countries, because space नहीं है. Other countries, we have to subtract 19,326 from 20,815. Subtract and get the answer. Subtract 6 from 5. We cannot. We have to borrow from 1. Here we left 0. It will become 15. 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Subtract 2 from 0. We cannot. We will borrow from 8. Here we left 7. It will become 10. Subtract 2 from 10. We will get 8. Subtract 3 from 7. We will get 4. Now subtract 9 from 0. We cannot. We will borrow. It will become 10. Subtract 9 from 10. We will get 1. एंड यहाँ पर रह जाएगा 1. 1 में से 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो हाउ मेनी स्टैम्प्स कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम अदर कंट्रीज? 1,489. 1,489 stamps collected from other countries. Next part of the question. The population of town is 82,010. If 43,413 are men, 25,929 are women and remaining are children. Find the number of children. total population given, number of men and women are given, and we have to find number of children. So how to do this question? Same as the previous one. Total population. Total population is 82,010. Number of men and women, total men and women, how many men and women in the town? For this, find the sum of this one and this one. 43,413 plus 25,929 प्लस करिए 43,413 25,929 9 plus 3 12 1 in carry 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 9 plus 4 13 3 plus 5 8 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9 4 plus 2 6 9 plus 3 12 1 in carry 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 9 plus 4 13 3 here 1 in carry 3 plus 5 8 plus 1 9 4 plus 2 6. It means total number of men and women 69,342. What is to find number of children? क्या करेंगे? We will subtract total number of men and women from the total population. So number of children, we will subtract this one from total population. 82,010 minus 69,342. Subtract, one more time I am writing. Subtract 2 from 0. We cannot. We have to borrow from here. Here we left 0. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 4 में से 0 को 4 we can't subtract 4 from 0. We have to borrow from 2. Here we left 1. It will become 10. Here we left 9. Subtract 4 from 10. We will get 6. Subtract 3 from 9. Subtract 3 from 9. We will get 6. Subtract 9 from 1. We cannot. We have to borrow from 8. It will become 11. Subtract 9 from 11. We will get 2. यहाँ पर रह गए 7. Subtract 6 from 7. We will get 1. One more time. Subtract 2 from 10. We will get 8. Subtract 4 from 10. We will get 6. Subtract 3 from 9. We will get 6. Subtract 9 from 11. We will get 2. Subtract 6 from 7. We will get 1. It means there are 12,668 children in the town. So in this way we can do word problem based on subtraction.